Hey guys, Southern Rail fan here to give a retour of Parkway Street number 1, railroad crossing in Corinth, Mississippi. I got a safe tram base, safe tram gate mechanism. The emergency information dot tag is 732034R. Lights on the signal are safe tram 12 by 20 inch incandescent lights. Oops. The rear lights are the same. Got some Rico gate lights, and this one is apparently fixed after it was damaged last time I had recorded this crossing, or the first time I did. Here's facing west toward downtown. Looks like we still got all red signals. Or not, I don't know. I can't really see it that well. Hold on a second. Let these cars get out of the way. Here's facing east toward Rudy Junction, but the signals aren't lit up. Which makes me think a westbound's coming soon. So I might want to hurry this up. Safe tram base on the second one. Second signal. Safe tram gate mechanism. Emergency information. Safe tram 12 by 20 inch lights. NED gate lights. More safe tram lights. Got a general signals type 2 electronic valve. Normal look at the crossing. This is Southern Rail fan. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.